Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a storybook for free using a Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini app and then you're going to go to the expand menu and select Storybook here. Okay, and then you just need to add the description of the storybook, or you can use the suggested prompt here. And for the prompt, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, and I'm going to paste the prompt here. Okay, then we can submit the prompt to the AI and the AI will create a storybook for us. Okay, and let's just wait. Alright guys, and the storybook is ready. And this is for the cover. And I'm going to open up the first page. And yeah, that's so cool because we just need to add a prompt and the AI will generate a storybook for us. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!